Distance traveled by a particle in time t is given by the equation s is equals to 2.5 into t square. So we need to find the average speed of the particle from t equals to 0 to t equals to 5 seconds and the instantaneous speed at t equals to 5 seconds. So let's start with the average speed. The average speed is defined as the total distance traveled divided by the total time taken. So average speed equals to total distance divided by total time. So from the equation s equals to 2.5 into t square, we calculate total distance at t equals to 5 seconds. So s will be 2.5 into t is 5, so it's 5 square. So 2.5 into 5 square is 25. If we multiply these two terms, that is 2.5 into 25, so we will get distance as 62.5 meter. So this is the total distance traveled by a particle in 5 seconds. So let's substitute the values in the formula. The total distance is 62.5 meter upon total time is 5 seconds. So 62.5 upon 5 is nothing but 12.5 meter per second. So average speed is 12.5 meter per second. Next, let's find the instantaneous speed at time t equals to 5 seconds. So what is instantaneous speed? Instantaneous speed is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. So here the s is 2.5 t square. To calculate instantaneous speed, we need to differentiate or we need to take derivative of s with respect to time t. So differentiation of s with respect to time is ds by dt, which is equals to d by dt of 2.5 into t square. So 2.5 is a constant, take outside the derivative, and differentiation of t square is nothing but 2 times t. So 2.5 into 2 is 5 and t as it is. And ds by dt is nothing but instantaneous velocity or speed, we can say, that is v. So at t equals to 5 seconds, v will be 5 into 5, that is 25 meter per second. So instantaneous speed is 25 meter per second. So we have given distance traveled by a particle. We have given the equation s equals to 2.5 t square, and we have asked to find the average speed and the instantaneous speed. So average speed is nothing but the ratio of total distance traveled by a particle upon total time taken to travel that distance. And instantaneous speed is nothing but rate of change of distance, that is s, with respect to time t. So we need to take the derivative of the s. So we used one formula here, that is differentiation of x with respect x to the power n with respect to x is nothing but n into x to the power n minus 1. So we have used this differentiation concept here to take the differentiation of t square. So we got the instantaneous speed as 25 seconds and average speed as 12.5 meter per second.